Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the solution of x. So now I will show you the technique. The answer of this one that should be like this. 3x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 2x plus 1 or 3x minus 2, but we have a negative in here, smaller than or equal to 2x plus 1. So on the left we got about s is greater than number 3, and on the right we got about s is smaller than 1 over 5. Or maybe we can write out like this. That's the end. Thank you for watching.